Welcome to the French Riviera, one of the most famous coastlines in the world. In this video, we're visiting Villefranche-sur-Mer, known for its deep natural bay, colorful waterfront, and one of the most beautiful harbors in the region. And then heading up to Èze, a hilltop village built high above the sea, famous for its narrow stone streets and panoramic views across the Mediterranean. Two places, just minutes apart, but what we found there wasn't exactly what we expected. Let's find out together. With its deep natural bay and colorful waterfront, Villefranche-sur-Mer is considered one of the most beautiful harbors on the French Riviera, offering a quieter and more local feel just minutes from the region's busiest cities. The bay here is naturally deep, making it a regular stop for cruise ships along the Mediterranean, while the Old Town, with its narrow streets and faded pastel facades, still reflects its long maritime history. It's a place where everything feels a little slower and a little more authentic. The Old Town still follows its original layout, with narrow streets and steep passageways shaped by the hillside. Most of the buildings are painted in soft pastel tones, a style that's become part of the Riviera's identity. And even today, this area feels more local and lived in compared to the busier parts of the coast. If you enjoy exploring places like this, feel free to like the video and consider subscribing, because in just a moment, we're about to see the town from a completely different perspective, heading up to one of the best viewpoints in Villefranche. And this is the best viewpoint in Villefranche. From up here, the town almost unfolds beneath your feet. The depth of the bay, the colors of the houses, and the coastline all come together in a single frame, and you can clearly see why this place stands out on the Riviera. And after this breathtaking view, it's time to explore what's waiting down by the water, where cafes, restaurants, and local life come together right by the sea. Down here, everything feels closer. The sea, the people, and the energy of the place. This is where Villefranche really comes to life, with restaurants lining the street, tables right by the water, and a mix of locals and visitors simply enjoying the moment. It's simple, relaxed, and exactly what you expect from the Riviera. And just a few steps away, this beautiful beach, a quieter side of Villefranche, where after exploring, it's easy to just sit back and watch the shoreline for a while. Just a 15-minute train ride from Villefranche-sur-Mer, the atmosphere changes completely, and you find yourself in Eze, a hilltop village that feels almost like something out of a story. With its narrow stone streets, medieval character, and sweeping views high above the Mediterranean, Eze reveals a very different side of the French Riviera. It really does have that fairy tale feeling, doesn't it? The narrow stone streets, the quiet corners, and the atmosphere. It all feels slightly removed from everything else. We instantly fell in love with this place. But before anything else, there's one spot we have to see. The exotic garden, sitting right at the very top of the village, overlooking the entire coastline. Let's explore it together. Known for its collection of cacti and exotic plants from around the world, this spot is usually considered one of the best viewpoints on the Riviera. Located at the highest point of the village, offering wide views stretching across the Mediterranean coastline. We honestly didn't expect it to be this misty up here, but instead of taking anything away, it gives the whole place a completely different feel, quieter, more atmospheric, and almost mysterious. There's something about Eze that feels different. Not just the views, but the way the village slowly reveals itself as you walk through it. Boutique hotels, small cafes, and hidden corners appear around almost every turn, and every street feels like it leads you somewhere new each time. Even cinema found its way here. Alfred Hitchcock filmed part of To Catch a Thief in this village back in 1955, starring Grace Kelly, who later became the Princess of Monaco. It's the kind of place where you don't really need a plan. You just keep walking, and everything starts to unfold on its own, almost like being inside a dream. Eze is definitely one of those places you shouldn't miss on the French Riviera. But what really makes it special is its unique, almost fairy tale-like atmosphere, where you can easily lose track of time while wandering through its narrow streets. In the next video, we're heading to Monaco, where the atmosphere shifts once again, from quiet stone streets to a world of luxury, super yachts, and the iconic Monte Carlo skyline. A place known for its glamorous lifestyle, grand casinos and one of the most exclusive coastlines in the world. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.